Dear students, it is a small video, only two topics we want to cover. One is the power and function of the Election Commission of India, then challenges to free and fair election. First one, power and function. EC means Election Commission takes the decision on every aspects of conduct and control of election, from announcement of election to the declaration of unity. Each and everything, minute things also taking the decision by Election Commission from from the announcement of election to the declaration of result. Then it implements the code of conduct and punish any candidate or party that violates it. They are making the code of conduct. We already have seen what are the code of conduct. Then they are taking the implementing the code of conduct when they are announcing the election, from that time to the declaration of result up to that time. If somebody is violating, then they used to punish them. Debarring for 5 years, 10 years, like that. Many types of punishment they used to give to the candidate as well as to the parties. During the election period, the Election Commission can order the government to follow some guidelines to prevent use and misuse of governmental power, to enhance its chances to elections, or to transfer some government officials. The Election Commission, it is very powerful in the time of election. And what all things they will do, they are giving some guidelines to whom? Government. For what? To prevent use and misuse of government powers, to enhance its chance to win. For example, example from central level, BJP is the ruling party now present, and the next election time, the Election Commission feeling like that they may make use the government officials for to get maximum vote, like that time Election Commission can give some guidelines, or they can give transfer to some of the government officials, those who are unnecessarily participating in the election campaign and other things. Then when on election duty, government officers work under the control of the Election Commission, not the government. For example, one bank employee, or like one primary school teacher, like that. Any person who is on the time when they are in the duty of election duty, when they are on election duty, then that time they are not working under the state government or central government. Instead of that, they want to work under the Election Commission. Then next point, it is challenges to free and fair election. Candidates and parties use a lots of money, means money power they are using. That is the one of the challenge what we are facing here in India or in Tamil Nadu. We are facing the same problem. Next one, candidates with a criminal connection, they are using the muscle power, using the persons with power, like that. Many activities they used to do. Major role of the dominant families and their relatives. The candidate is from a dominant family of that area, then they are using the that dominant family and their relatives to get maximum vote. Then little choice of ordinary voters. The ordinary voters, if there is like that minority and majority voters, then minority voters, they are getting very little choice. Then candidates of independent and smaller parties suffer disadvantages in the election, because we are following the multi-party system. Even we can stand as a independent candidate, but the independent candidate as well as the smaller parties, they are suffering many disadvantages. They won't get any help from the government or government officials, like that. These are the challenges what they are facing. In India, we are facing the problem of free and fair election. So we discuss the key points of the lessons. Then now your duty to read the lesson. Very carefully you should read, and you should find out these points where it is, and you should underline. That is your homework. Please read the textbook carefully, and please underline the points. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.